In the early 1970s, a sleek figure emerged from Japan, redefining what sports cars could be for the everyday driver. With a long sculpted hood, short rear deck, and flowing lines inspired by European Grand Tours, the Datsun 240Z became a symbol of performance and elegance combined in perfect balance. Its design carried a sense of speed even when standing still, the sharp nose dipping low with aerodynamic intent while the round headlamps and chrome accents hinted at sophistication and purpose. The proportions were classic yet daring, a mix of Japanese precision and global flair that instantly turned heads wherever it appeared. Under the hood lay a 2.4-liter inline-six engine that sang with a metallic hum, producing around 151 horsepower, a figure modest by today's standards, yet thrilling for its time. This engine's responsiveness and the car's lightweight body created a driving experience that felt alive, raw, and deeply connected to the road. Power fed through a 5-speed manual transmission, rewarding skilled hands with a seamless flow of speed and rhythm. The independent suspension and balanced chassis gave it an agility that rivaled cars costing twice as much, while the rear-wheel drive layout made every corner a dance between control and excitement. Inside, the cabin reflected the simplicity of the era but carried an unexpected touch of luxury. Deep bucket seats hugged the driver in place, surrounded by analog gauges framed in chrome. The wooden steering wheel and shift knob gave it warmth and craftsmanship that felt almost European. Every switch, dial, and surface was thoughtfully placed, reflecting Datsun's vision of a car made for driving, not just for show. Despite being compact, the 240Z offered decent comfort for long trips, proving that sports cars didn't need to sacrifice usability for performance. The 240Z's appeal stretched far beyond aesthetics and engineering. It represented accessibility, a high-performance sports car that ordinary enthusiasts could actually afford. In a time when European rivals were priced out of reach for most, the Datsun arrived as a revelation, blending reliability, speed, and beauty into one irresistible package. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement that Japanese automakers could craft machines with soul, precision, and global appeal. On winding roads and open highways, the 240Z found its natural habitat. Its responsive steering, predictable handling, and eager engine transformed simple drives into spirited adventures. Each downshift invited the driver to push further, while the exhaust note echoed with the sound of mechanical honesty. The car's balance became legendary, a quality that made it both a daily companion and a track-worthy performer. It captured hearts in America, Europe, and beyond, quickly earning a reputation as the poor man's Jaguar E-Type, though many found its charm and reliability far superior. Over the years, the 240Z's influence rippled across generations. It sparked a lineage that would lead to the iconic Z cars that followed, the 260Z, 280Z, and later the 300ZX and 370Z. Each model carried forward the spirit of the original, an attainable sports car with a focus on driving pleasure above all else. Even decades later, the essence of that first Z remains alive in modern designs, reminding the world where the legend began. Collectors today revere the Datsun 240Z not only for its performance but for its historical importance. Restored examples shine at car shows and auctions, celebrated as timeless classics that bridged East and West. It stands as proof that innovation isn't always about breaking boundaries, sometimes it's about perfecting the balance between beauty, power, and simplicity. When the sun catches the curve of its fenders or the chrome glints from its grille, the Datsun 240Z still holds the same magic it did over 50 years ago. It embodies an era when driving was pure, unfiltered, and passionate, when the connection between man and machine was defined not by technology but by feel. The 240Z remains more than just a car, it's a piece of automotive art that continues to inspire dreamers and drivers alike.